What is up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Crypto Beard. My name is Devin, and this channel is devoted to keeping you in the know with everything that's happening in the crypto sphere. With that said, let's get into today's video. We're going to talk a little bit about what Twitter may do to change up the crypto world and how Bitcoin is looking for the near future, what we can expect, kind of my forecast in regards to Bitcoin. Also, in our next video, not this one, we're going to talk about ChatGPT. Super excited about that, been messing around with it. But with that said, let's get into today's video. So for starters, guys, this has been nothing but a year of FUD for the cryptoverse. It's been muy malo, and one way to look at it, as far as, man, I mean, we've had huge negative trends, huge projects fail. And there's been a lot that you could look at and just say, hey, that's bad. But in one really positive thing that I've seen emerge from this is the strength of Bitcoin. What do I mean by that? I believe that Bitcoin is stronger than it ever has been, as far as people holding it, people not wanting to sell, people who got in maybe late and they're not looking to cash out on those losses, which I can say that's a smart move, because let's face it, guys, if you got in at 60K and you're holding right now, it makes all the sense in the world to just keep on holding on, unless you're in dire financial straits where you absolutely need that money. Holding makes all the sense in the world, because what's going to happen? You could lose, you could lose some more money. I mean, you've already lost a ton. You might as well stick it out, ride it, stay in here for the long term, and make back up those gains. But I got news for you. It is going to take a while. It is going to take a long term. So if you're short term minded and then yes, I think you would sell. But I don't think that there are a lot of short term investors in Bitcoin right now. I think most of them have abandoned ship. Most of them have gone by the wayside. And why is that? Because why wouldn't you have at this point? If you're in it now, you're probably in it for the long haul. And I think that for the next year or two, where we're going to be parking as far as a Bitcoin price is going to be right around 20K. I think we're going to see a little bit more upward momentum get us there, and then that's going to be our plateau, and we'll hover between 18 and 20,000 probably for at least the next 24 months. Could be longer, just depends upon what happens in the global scheme of things before the value in Bitcoin goes back to being up. So that's my thoughts. I think a long-term plateau of Bitcoin is probably going to be 250,000. I don't see it pushing past that. That's my personal thoughts, because I think there's going to be other technology that's going to come out that will be better in regards of what it is going to do. However, I think Bitcoin has kind of assured itself as digital gold because of the decentralization, which is unmatched, mind you, comparatively. So that's kind of my thoughts there. But let's move on from that, guys. That's a little bit about Bitcoin. Let's talk a little bit about Twitter. So Elon, in an interview not too long ago, talked about how he would really like to see an app similar to WeChat in the US. And if you don't know about WeChat, it's kind of like the Swiss Army of social media apps in China. And what do I mean by the Swiss Army knife of social media apps in China? I mean, you can do all sorts of stuff. You can send money, you can watch videos. It's kind of, has a Twitter, Facebook-ish vibe to it. But yeah, it's a do-it-all kind of app. And so this is where I think we're going to see Twitter move as far as the future goes. The direction that it's going to be pushed in is in innovation. I think we're going to see more development around Twitter with greater tools and push for innovation, because that's what Elon does. And with that, I think Twitter is probably a pretty decent investment if there was a way to invest right now, which there's not that I know of. However, there are people actively asking Elon how they can get involved with investing in Twitter, because a lot of these people are long-term Super Bowls in regard to Twitter. So interesting situation. I think that there's going to be some serious gains moving forward. But with that said, guys, that's all I have for today's video. Next time, we're going to talk a little bit about ChatGPT and how I think it will revolutionize the world and the cryptoverse, because of all the tools that it provides, to show you a little bit about how you could possibly use it right now to make money or help bring your ideas to life, and just as a great tool to help you out. So stay tuned for that one. Look forward to bringing that to you. As always, guys, it's been good. We'll catch you next time. Peace.